Hi, my name is Arthur, and in today's Enterprise Android Pro Tip video, we'll be talking about how to set up wireless ADB on your Android devices. Let's get into it. So we're going to start by going into our system settings. And if you're not a developer yet, scroll all the way down, hit About Phone, scroll all the way down, and spam tap your build number until it says you're a developer. Now, I'm already a developer, so if I do so, it's going to say that I'm already a developer. And once you're already a developer, hit back, hit System, Advanced, Developer Options. You're going to scroll down till you find Wireless Debugging. Turn that on and tap it. Now keep in mind this IP address and port, because that's what you're going to use to connect to your device through your Windows terminal or your Mac terminal. But first, we're going to want to look at this, pair device with pairing code, because we're going to want to pair our device to a computer. Now we've got our IP address and port here. It's different from the one up there. As you can see, it's 39747. It's 38 over here. Now keep in mind this port number will change every time you close this Windows. So you can't just take a picture and ask someone to connect it from across the room after you close it. You have to keep this Windows open, or this little pop-up open. So having this pairing code, IP address and port, we're going to go to our Windows terminal or our Mac terminal. So now that we're in our terminal, we're going to do ADB devices to see that there's no devices currently connected. So we need to pair our device with the IP address and port and pairing code from earlier. So do ADB pair, put in your IP address from earlier and the port number. Now it's asking for a pairing code. Just enter the pairing code that you were given, and you should be successfully paired. So to verify that you're successfully paired, do ADB devices, and you can see that you're paired, but you're not connected yet. So what you want to do is do ADB connect and put in the IP address and port number of the device itself from the very top before we hit pair device with pairing code. That should connect us. Do ADB devices again, and you'll see that your device is currently connected wirelessly. Now if you want to disconnect your device, just do ADB disconnect, and you will see that your device is no longer connected. And there you have it, how to set up wireless ADB on your Android device. If you have any questions, feel free to put it down in the comment section down below. And if you want us to go through anything else or cover any other topics, just let us know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.